Hey, I'm Sean Burdo from Ray White Surrey Hills, and today we're looking at May Street Towers. Now, as a building specialist, it's my pleasure to bring to you the facilities, the location, and everything this building has to offer. Well guys, as you can see, we've got resort-style facilities, 25-meter lap pool, sauna, spa, everything you'd want from your inner city apartment. And also your self-contained gym, perfect for a pre-workout before you go and jump in the pool. Well guys, anyone buying property will tell you it's location, location, location. At 298 Sussex Street, you're just up the road from Chinatown, restaurants, dining, nightlife, Darling Harbour right there, everything you could want from an inner city apartment. With a few hundred apartments in the complex, this is ideal for the astute investor or the owner-occupier. Well guys, thanks for taking a look, and once again, as the building specialist for May Street Towers, please call me, I can answer any questions you have, and I look forward to seeing you soon.